Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to translate an infographic from Turkish into English. So I'm going to use this image here from Amazon Turkey on this Philips hairdryer, and then we're going to use the Red Akka app as well. So I'm just going to import the image into the Red Akka app. As you can see, it's highlighted the text and it's also highlighted this brand logo on the hairdryer as well. We don't need to translate that, so I'm just going to click delete on that and we're just going to translate the text here. So I'll click confirm. We're going to use Google. It's all automatically detected that the language is Turkish, and we're just going to translate to English. We click translate, click confirm, and then there's a blemish on the image here. So it had a kind of accent on one of the letters, but we can erase this blemish. So I'm just going to basically scrub it out. There you go. You can see that yellow patch. And this is going to go off to the server, the AI background server, and it's going to take a couple of seconds to erase it. Okay, that's still a bit of a blemish there. Let's have another go. I'll just do it once more. It might come out a bit darker this time. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I'll just click the confirm button and that'll bring us on to the text editing screen. Now it looks like there's no text there because the text is defaulted to black. So let's just change this to white. I'm going to change it to Roboto. I like that. We'll put it bold. And then try 70. Maybe I can go a bit bigger, 75. Maybe a bit bigger still, 80. 85. Okay, let's just see how that compares with the original. Still a bit small, so I'm going to change it to 90. There we go. Okay, I'm happy with that, so I'm just going to export my image now. Perfect. And that's downloaded to my laptop. And there you go. There's the original, and there's our English version.